So guys, welcome back to this channel. As we have been doing live lately, but I think it's been 2-3 months that we stopped doing it, so we are back and we hope to continue and provide you good education and the trade ideas. So specifically we will be trading on Dow Jones, Russell and WTI. These three will be our pair, and we always come online around NY session. So let's break it down for the trade. So let's go do the markup again. We'll see that in the daily time frame we have the bullish, we have the bearish structure forming since 1 2 3 4 5 6 days from last week, and we can see support around this area of imbalance in the daily time frame. And 4 hours 4 hours we can see that the price has been falling from 5th of December, since 5th of December. So we'll just do some markups. This out here is the imbalance of the daily, plus it can also act as a support of 4 hours. Okay. Yeah, overall it's bearish. We have the potential of sell to this area as well. All in all, we are trading futures. We have moved from CFDs to futures. So here's the breakdown. This is the 1 hour time frame, and then you can see that the price has rejected from this level of resistance. And this is our temporary support around this area. So I'll just make it a bit clear again. This is the overall trend formation and the continuation of bearish. As you can see, the price has been going and retesting the resistance zone every time for further push down. It has been continuing since a week and more. So we will expect to see price break below this area and potentially test this imbalance area around here. If it does, it's going to be a good movement for Dow Jones. So now again in 4 hours we can see that the price has rejected from this area of imbalance, or you can call it FVG, whatever you prefer. So this is the area of rejection, and we will look for the break below this level, which is the area of support. And since there is no news today, we might get to see some good price action. you still there? So, so this is the potential target around this area here. This will be the place where we will be waiting for the target if we catch a good sell. And as you can see that the price has exhausted around this level. You can see this indecision candle and then the bearish push down. And even if you see with the structure, there is a structure shift on the top which caused the price to fall below, because as you can see the price has broken the structure here. It went for a sweet retest, and yeah, and then it went down. In our case we always put like $50 of stop loss, 50 ticks you can say, but in some cases like this you can just minimize your risk and put like 22, and you can get a good risk to reward. So coming back to the support, this is the final area of support, and in 15 minutes the price has come around this area again. So let's see. Yeah, this is also an imbalance to be tested around this area. In 15 minutes as well you can see this imbalance very well, but I'm not going to put any limit orders since the market needs to get open first, and whenever market gets open we see a lot of volatility at this hour when the New York gets open. So this is the overall analysis for US30. So getting back into what RT, which is Russell 2000, it's the same thing going on because they both are, you know, US30 and Russell, they have a very similar movements every time. So today we'll be focusing more on Dow Jones than Russell, because you can see the price in Russell has made a new low today, and in Dow Jones it hasn't made a new low yet, or maybe it did but it's not very prominent. So no, we will wait for any kind of confirmation at the time of NY open. Look, as you can see the price here is already on the in the imbalance zone in Russell in the daily time frame, as well as in the 4-hour time frame it's in the imbalance zone. So we might get to see a push to back up from this area, but it's very unlikely since the price has been in a downtrend for quite a while. In 30 minutes as well it's the same. You can wait for this area to be taken out and we might get to enter in some retracement around this area. So we see how the market reacts when the stock exchange gets open at 3:30 times CET, no, UTC +1. Coming back to oil, oil is super bullish. It has been outperforming since 9th of December. So the price has already reached the structure in the bigger time frame, but it also has some more area to go up. You know, if the price gets rejected from here we can see a very nice push above. So maybe we can wait for, let's say if this is the structure right here, maybe we can wait for the price to break this area and we can enter. In the case of crude oil we always have stops of 2.5 0.25, which is a bit small but it gives you a good risk to reward. So you can see the price has been rejecting in from this area since there was an engulfing candle formation in 5 minutes, and I think it's very important to wait for the price to break above this area, because that way we will have more confidence on this trade. And we have NY open, we might see some volatility, maybe some retracement back to this level and then go up. So either ways we will look for buys. I'm not going to look for sell unless we see a major shift in the structure. The price has maintained the bullish momentum so far, so we can wait for the price to break above this area so that we can target the potential area around here, which could be 3R potential. So this in RTY is going to be a bit, I'm not going to I'm not going to take I will not be interested in taking trades on Russell today, since it made a new low, and I don't want to. Maybe I'll see where if I get a chance, but for now I think I will just stay out from Russell unless we see a proper break below this area, so that we could target around here. So Russell is okay, but still not very promise. It doesn't look very promising to me, given the fact that it has left many big imbalances. You can see around here and this area around here. So all these factors, I mean, it's not convincing me to take any trade on Russell for short, because I would like to take a short if the price comes and react to these levels, and if I see any price action, good price action, because you can see in the daily time frame this area has not been tested at all. So we'll wait for the price to come around this area. Maybe if it doesn't, it doesn't, but that would not be of my interest. Instead of selling this, I would prefer selling Dow Jones. And looking for the opposite scenario on buys, if the price respects this level around here, this is the support level. If the price respects this level and respects this FVG or imbalance, looking into the price action at that time, we will decide if we want to go long, but my focus would be on short. And regarding our strategy, Sanjay, I think should I call you Sanjay or should I call you Neil? What do you prefer? Should I call you Sanjay or should I call you Neil? What? All right. So regarding the strategy that we have about the zone, I don't see any formation of zone yet. So we have to rely on price action. Otherwise, we will not take the trade. 12 minutes for the market to get open, and we still don't have any zone. You can see that, right? There's no zone. So there's no point on, just fighting to get the zone, because there's no zone. For today, there's no zone. So we will see. Well, yeah. Also regarding the crude oil, I'm very optimistic to get a buy again, like yesterday. Yesterday was crazy, trade after trade, trade after trade. Yesterday was crazy. So I have put my uh, alert on Russell, and both Russell and WTI crude. Sorry, have so many names for the same asset that it confuses me. So for WTI, I have put the alert, and as well as for this. Pardon? Yeah, yeah. Mostly we take trades in 5 minutes. No, no, no. 2 hour is okay. And if the target, if we have a good target for more, then we can go more. No problem. We see, look at this area, the price has reacted a bit. You can see the price has reacted, but there's no point on this because the market is going to open in next 7 minutes. So we'll wait and see. In general, we use, like, not in general, always we try to use the stops of 50 ticks, no matter what percent you risk, and on Dow Jones, and on RT it's the same. We risk around 50 ticks here as well. So just so that the viewers get to know about the stop losses. What are your thoughts on this, Neil? Yeah, that I know very well. That's what I was. That's. I mean, that I know, but I want to ask your opinion. Like, what do you think on this? Like, what do you think? What bias we can get today? Do you think that we can get a impulse movement from this area of imbalance to the upside, or do you think that the price at NY might break the low and we can get a sell side trade? Yeah, but when the market gets open, it needs some liquidity. So maybe let's see if there is any liquidity left on the top. In the 4 minutes, in the 4 hours, you can see that there is something that's not been tested yet. Like when the market got open, it's still not tested. So maybe the price could go back up to test that imbalance or FPG, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to call it. Maybe. So that potentially could give us a sell trade on the buy side, but it's very hard. Yeah, because I can see that the 5 minutes imbalance is still not tested. You can see here the 5 minute. Look, in 15 minutes, the price has been rejected around from this area of imbalance. You can see this candle. This is a good sign of rejection, but since the market is gonna be open in 4 minutes, it's a risk, and I don't think it's worth a risk to just enter like that in here. Also in RT, you can see the um, price is trying to reject from this area. But as long as the price remains under this structure here, maybe the price would go back up and take the imbalance and go back down. No, no, there's no zone indeed. There's no zone. There's no zone. The price has respected this level very well, the area of imbalance, but the price needs to break this area out here so that we can maybe then we can get into retracement trade for the buy, because this area, I'm telling you again, this area still needs to be tested. Let me maybe plan a trade here. Maybe this could also be my entry with a limit order, but as we decided that we will enter only with the confirmation of the price action. Look, in this case, the I think, look, the confirmation is still not there, because look, the price is trying to break this level and it's not happening. Look, in 3 minutes, okay, in 3 minutes it made an engulfing candle, that is okay. So I think this buy is valid, but well, the market opens in 2 minutes, so no risk, no risk trading. We will wait for the right movement. Yeah, it didn't work because you entered here and the imbalance was here, right here, so you got stopped out because there was too much orders here. If you entered a bit low, then it would have worked, but it still worked. It gave you 1.2 hour, but you entered a bit late. You entered after the second candle close. So let's see, maybe we can consider this as a zone, and if we see any good potential buys, uh, we can enter maybe. there could have been a buy here, but let's see. We will wait for the price to RT has broken the structure. So RT has broken the structure here. Let's see what happens. Since RT has broken the structure, we will see. We will wait, not entering the buy yet. No, we wait for. I am very optimistic to get on shorts if I get on Dow Jones. Mm, yeah, RT looks like it has taken the liquidity from the bottom, and it still hasn't closed below, or maybe I mean there's also some time left for the candle to get closed, maybe 2 minutes something. So we wait. I'm looking for the price to push this zone. Yeah. 1.21 minutes left. As I told you that we need to see a close above this area. RT is also performing very good. Look, it took the liquidity from the bottom and it didn't close. So this is why, guys, I ask everyone not to enter any trade when NY gets open. First see what happens with the candle of the NY, and then plan your trade further. buy here could be an option, but we will not get the stops very well. Yeah, yeah. No, I'm waiting for the price to come here and to see how it reacts. Only then we'll see anything. What up? Yeah. No, the price is getting rejected. I think the price is getting rejected. So RT has taken the liquidity from the bottom. So it might go and target the top side of or maybe not in the 4 hours maybe. There's some noise coming from your end, Sanjay, about some pen or something. Yeah, it's okay. Let's see. In RT, maybe I'll need a shift in this structure, and if it goes well, I can plan a trade on RT. If RT close above this, I would like to enter on RT. On RT, I'm asking. I'm asking you, have you put your trade on RT or what? That's what I was asking. I think I should get out of this trade in RT because I don't see it working. Because Dow Jones is also falling, and I just got out of the trade. I need to wait. I need to wait for some confirmation. I cannot enter like this. Hmm. Let's see. I'll wait for the clear direction. RT is not a good choice because it made a new low. I told you, but it didn't come in my mind when you said that I'm going to enter. I thought, okay, so RT is not very trustworthy today because it made a new low, and when it makes a new low, you should see for a sell instead of buy. So RT, this trade I have exited before, and I'm going to wait for a clear direction. Dow Jones looks like a sell very well, so probably I'm going to go with DJ or maybe RT as well for sell. Sell is okay with RT. Let's wait for any for a proper view of the market, because right now I cannot see anything. Right now the price has been hovering in the same place. So in RT I think it's falling, it's going to break. So potentially if I get a chance in RT, let's say for the sell, I would opt for sell, but I need to see a break. Unless it breaks down from this level, I'm not going to do anything. About oil, I think we missed the buy, so I'll potentially buy plan a trade here on oil because it looks very well for me. Stop loss big on this and TP here. Look, I'm telling you, Dow Jones, it needs to test this level. It needs to test this level, bro. I have set my trade for CL, for this, what do you call it, WTI, crude oil. Yeah, sure, 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 sure. No rush. True. True, true, true. RT is holding up in the support. I just want it to break below so that I could just sell. But how is the trade running? If you entered in the week, it should have hit the stop loss. But no. So how much was the stop loss? Where did you enter? Okay, CFD is here. Let's make it 500. So where did you enter? Here on the week, it hit the stop loss, bro. How much money you are risking? 250. Okay, okay. I need a break below this level so that I could enter a sell. No, it hasn't broken yet. The candle is still running. Yeah, yeah. on, dude, take my trade. Dow Jones is still struggling. Dude, it didn't take my trade. I'm trying to chase the trade and it's not taking. Holy shit. Holy shit, bro. It needs to take this trade. No, it cannot go without me. Well, I have taken in my another prop, so maybe we'll see. Trading, execution. Dude, it's not taking my trade. Maybe I should just enter here. No, no. It has to take my trade, dude. No. Well, if no, then no. No, no pasa nada. I just missed one tick. One or two tick. It should take. Come on, no. No. Oh no. Go okay. We'll see on Dow Jones because this it betrayed me. Should I just do the market execution? No. No. Okay. Yeah, but I just want to place the limit order. I just don't want to mess up with it. So let's see. I can have another go maybe on Dow Jones if this one doesn't take. Dow Jones is already there for me, so maybe feels like fall, free fall, sell. Okay, I entered RT. I entered. Now it doesn't matter. Now it doesn't matter. I entered in RT. And what about this? It didn't take my trade. What? No. In RT, yes, but in Dow Jones and in oil, no. And now that I entered the low, this is trying to mess up with my head. you entered in RT. Neil, Mr. Neil, where are you? So maybe I will also plan to enter on Dow Jones if I see a chance, opportunity. So RT is going okay. Oil not yet executed. Let's see what happens. 3 minutes, 2 minutes. Dude, where have you gone? You are here only. Did you enter on RT? You didn't tell me anything. Don't lie. Okay. I'm waiting for my trade on oil as well. Whatever you prefer, bro. I'm gonna hold this trade for at least 2 hours. My target is here. My target is gonna be this one. Which, let me see. I think I can even extend the target, Maybe I can just put my target till this area. Very likely. The only problem that I can see is in 1 hour and in 4 hours the candle is going to change. This is what just I don't like, because it might go up again for the for the retracement, for the imbalance feeling and all that stuff, but I'll just let it go. My target is potential 4 hour. Oil, I need to see what's going in oil. Oil is okay. I'm just buying the top, but it's okay because it still has a long way to go. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah, fine. Or maybe I'll just move oil because I just want to focus on these two pairs. Maybe I will look for a sell on Dow Jones as well. Free falling. Okay, so here we can see that the Dow Jones is also trying to follow RT. Let me see. Dow Jones is trying to close below. If it closes below, I think we have an opportunity of sell here as well. Let me plan it. And of course this one is very legitimate sell. Your call, your call. No, you don't have to justify it. Your call. It's okay. Free falling. So let me see what's going on with Dow Jones. Dow Jones is gonna be here. I'm gonna plan a sell and then stop loss to TP to here. Jones, I think. Oh shit. Fuck, bro. I didn't see it. Dow Jones has already moved. Okay, never mind. Let's see how's going. What's going with RT. 35 ticks. We need more. I think I missed the trade with Dow Jones. Dow Jones is missed, and oil. Um, I will enter with the small, with the micros. I'm gonna enter with two micros. No, no. I'm just in the trade. Not waiting for anything. What? What? What do you mean you got out? Brother, that's your call. That depends on your what advice you want me to give. What do you want to know, that if you should have stayed or you should have left the trade? Look, I cannot tell the future, but I'm saying that if I get a trade, I want to hold to the target. My target is at least 2 hour, because if it hits the stop loss, goes back up, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to wait for 2 hour at least, and after 2 hour, I would try to start trailing the trade. Maybe I think I should also enter in Dow Jones. Maybe, given the fact that the price might get up because there's imbalance left, I would try to wait for this one. What's up with oil? How's it going? 2 ticks? Just 2 ticks? Alright. In 15 minutes, the candle has closed very well. So uh, it might go up to take the imbalance of 30 minutes, but that's okay, as it can, no problem. In 1 hour, my stops are not safe. In 4 hour, it is. So let's see. Let's see how it goes, bro. How it goes. goes up to this level. Hmm. Mm, it didn't reverse. It made a new low. It made a new low. It's just coming to fill up the imbalance or taking orders. It made a new low. If you can see in 15 minutes as well, it made a new low. So if it made a new low, why would you call it a reverse? Mm, no, but how is that possible, bro? If let me see in the US30, so weird. But in 5 minutes, no. That's why CFD people, I don't know. I don't know. This is not good. This doesn't look good in CFD. Let me see here. Oh no, I think it's fine. It's fine. I think it's fine because I mean that's why CFD people are not successful because they don't show the real tick data. In futures, they show the real tick data. I let's see. Free falling. Dude, this oil I'm gonna close it. Fuck it. What's up with DJ? Where it's coming? What is saying, bro? DJ is just DJ is just coming to take the imbalance. I hope. I hope. What happened with me today that I executed a bit low on RT. I should have waited for my call like what I always do, but I just moved my entry a bit lower. Otherwise, this trade would have been giving me 1 hour, 1 hour plus three already, 1.3 hour. But that is okay. That's okay. Oil entry was also very good. I just don't want to enter too many assets, but oil entry was also very. What do you mean? Yeah, you can change it. You can change it from money to ticks. You can change it from money, ticks to percentage, anything. Like you can change percent. Dow Jones wants to fall, it wants to fall, but it needs to take the imbalance, or maybe this. I don't know if it will go that high, but at least this area it needs to fill up this gap, or maybe this is also a nice place to sell on DJ. But I'll just go with no, no. I'll just go with RT today. RT made a new low before opening, so I was more confident about selling RT than selling Dow Jones. Are you holding or have you closed everything? Okay. So let's see the big time frame on RT where we can see the target. The target potentially we can scale it till here, But if we go to day time frame, it's even shorter. Maybe this area in 4 hour, in 1 hour. A bit of mess in here. Yeah, the moment Dow Jones falls, look, Dow Jones will fall for sure because RT has fallen, and RT has fallen good, like maybe from the last low it has fallen how many ticks? It has fallen. Look, from here it has fallen 7, 7.3, 7.9, 8 ticks. So 8 pips. So we will see. We'll see. It fell from 59 to 52, $7. It has a potential to at least this area. That's what I want to see, bro. That's what I want to see. Maybe I would enter RT. Maybe I can close this and I can maybe enter RT. Maybe 67 ticks, 67 4 ticks. I'll close this and I'll try to enter RT because I can still get some opportunities in RT. This area maybe I'll try to enter MOYM micro lots, which is better to minimize risk. Sell. Do you know if RT has got micro or no? Um, so yeah, I am out from this trade. I took like 66 ticks. So let's see if I get some ticks in in the micro lots here, which is very likely to happen because the price has broken low, the lower low, this area, and I can put my stops here. Buy stops, and my buy limits here. RT is very good today. It acted very good. What's up with oil, bro? Have you been checking or no? Have you been checking oil or no? Bro, I think I should enter again this RT because it has a good potential. Maybe I could just enter again here. It stops. Or I'll leave it. I'm okay with Dow Jones. It doesn't matter, dude. It has broken the new low, so it has made a new low. So it will probably. Oh yeah. Right now, everything you sell is it's in a safe area as long as it's above the previous week. Everything because it has broken. It has made a new low. It will keep falling. It will keep falling. Look, everything. I'm out from Dow Jones. So, how was your overall trading day, Sanjay? I mean Neil, sorry. Look, bro, if you just waited for your 2 hour, look here it is almost 2 hour. You entered somewhere around here, right? You got the 2 hour. I entered late. I entered here, and then I managed to get 1.5. But tell me one thing, why did you enter the buy there? The moment you entered, I also decided that okay, let's do it. This one, you mean to say, this candle. Yeah, but it's, look, we have to look, just so that you, I'll tell you something. Wait, look, when you sit on the system, when you come to trade, or when you are ready to sit on your system to start trading, you have to go through some few very simple things, which is the daily low and daily high. If before opening, look, before opening of the NY, price of RT was here, was below this area. I mean, not at that time, but it made a new low before opening of NY. So that means that the price has already showed you the potential of a fall, because it has made a new low already before NY. So instead of looking for Dow Jones, because Dow Jones at that time, it didn't make any new low. That time the price didn't make any new low. The price was still above this low of yesterday. So so in this case, I was very much thoughtful of, if I take a trade on sell, I will take on RT. And look, that's what happened. RT moved before and Dow Jones, and it moved and it gave you clean 2 hour in a matter of no time. So I think we have to, you have to write this on your journal, because next time when you trade, you just mark the new low for mark the low and high. Yeah, look, that's what I'm trying to say. This, look at the time here, 12. Okay, before this the price was above this area, it didn't make a new low, but at night, look what happened. At 3 a.m. it made a new low. So that means the price has already made a new low. So in this case, the, it's not very reliable for the price to look for a buy. Yeah, if you get an entry, a perfect entry for a buy, it's fine. But if you are comparing this chart with, let's say, if you are comparing like this, um, if you are comparing, why it's not getting open, bro? Okay, if you are comparing this to the YM, you have to see which one has got the divergence. Divergence means which one has made a new low or a new high. If it has, if for example, if we were looking for a buy, and if Dow Jones had made a new high before the opening, so that way we will not look for buy on RT. We will instead look for a buy on Dow Jones. This I am telling you because of the data, because I have the data. If you compare, if you go back in time and if you do the journaling and back testing, if you compare, this works. Not 100%, but most likely. What's up with Nasdaq and ES? Oof, oof, bro. Nasdaq, look at Nasdaq. What happened? At 330, went up. Wow, this was a really good short on Nasdaq, on ES. On Nasdaq, bullshit. So that's it for today. Look, RT is still bearish. If you see in the 15 minutes time frame, it just went to take the stop loss, to take the imbalance. Still bearish. Well, thank God I just closed this trade on CL. Or maybe not. Let me see what happens. Well, guys, if you're watching my live, please subscribe and ask me any questions if you need to. We're not selling anything, everything is for free. You can come here, see the market analysis every day, and if you find it helpful, please don't forget to like or subscribe the channel. We come here every day at NY Open, which is around 3 p.m. in the Central European time. And we only trade futures. We trade Dow Jones, we trade Russell and oil. These are the three pairs we mostly trade. So yes, so we come here every day, every trading day, of course, from Monday to Friday, from 3 p.m. Central European time. And what time is it there in India, Sanjay? What time do we come online every day according to Indian time? Yeah. So we come online at 3 p.m. Central European time every day from Monday to Friday. We trade only Dow Jones, Russell, and oil. Depend 7:30 p.m. You mean? Okay. And depending on the circumstances or depending on the market condition, we decide what to trade. Since you can see today we were looking for uh, Russell instead of Dow Jones. We took one trade on Russell and I got out on BE, mostly like 10 ticks of stop loss. and on and when we took the Russell sell, we made like what 60 70 ticks, so that's okay for today. We could have looked for more potential downwards, but I'm not sure that would happen just right now, because Dow Jones is not reacting very well for the sell, because you can see the price has broken below, but it's still consolidating here. Maybe it wants to take the liquidity from this area in order to fall below. But Russell was very good today. The price action was really good. It's still bearish. The 15 minutes also respected this area, this level here. So if you guys are watching and if you have taken a trade on Russell, you can hold up to the target until 4 hour, maybe here for 200 ticks or more. It's a very genuine target for Russell. And of course, move your stops to be. So that's it for today, and see you guys tomorrow. Well, Neil, then yeah. So I'll just stop the live stream, and we stay connected. Oh, of course, yeah. Sorry, on Monday. So I wish you guys have a happy weekend, and see you guys on Monday. Yeah, if you guys have any queries, if you have any questions, you have the link of Discord, you have the link of Telegram, you have the access to the website. You can just go and you can write to the support. We are not selling anything for the moment. We are not selling any courses or anything for now. It's all free, and you guys can come. And if you guys need any help, any questions, anything, if you guys need to know about the props or the futures or what broker you want to use, just you can contact us on Telegram. We have the we have the mm, we have the link in the YouTube channel of everything. Okay then. Okay, Sanjay. So I'll just disconnect the live, and I'll stay with you for a while on Meet. Okay. Okay. Just give me a moment.